How to log in into Kayo Sports account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into your Kayo Sports account. So if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. So let's begin. The first step is open up a web browser. After you open up a web browser, simply search for Kayo Sports. Now, for people who do not know what Kayo Sports is, it is an Australian streaming service in which you can watch any sports that you want, or live or on demand. So after you search for Kayo Sports, simply head over to their website. You can see right here, it's their website. It's kayosports.com.au. You can simply head over to the login button right here if you want to log in directly as well. After you're on the website, this is what it should look like. And if you do not have an account already, you can get your membership from here. Now, if you already do have an account, tap on the sign in option in the top right corner. And after you tap on it, it will take you to a sign in page. Now, while this does that, you can simply, get ready with your email and password. And after you do that, you will see right here. Now, what you'll need to do is enter your email address here. And after you do that, tap on sign in and you will need to type in your password. After you do that, you'll get logged in into your Kayo account, and that is basically all for the video. Thanks for watching guys, stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.